Hey guys, Jason Guyman here. So today I want to go over, I had the question, somebody asked the question, hey, and if you have a question for me, I really want to help you. I really want to get that information back to you. It may not come right away. I kind of got a bunch of videos here lined up so that way I can keep it going. And if not, I will answer it down there. And then when that video comes out, I'll be able to either link back to it or whatever. But with that being said, if you have a question about pressure washing, if you have a question about marketing, if you have a if you have a question about roof cleaning, please ask the question below. So this is a question that comes up a lot. What what I believe the question is, what detergent do you use to clean roofs? And that's what I'm going to go into today. Detergent. So we have my chemical tanks back here. That's right, I did say chemical tanks. So every soap you use has chemicals in it. So now when I'm talking to a customer, I try, and I teach this, we really don't want to say chemical. Are we using a chemical? Yep. But you know what? They're using a chemical when they drink water, when they're taking a shower, they're using soaps that have chemicals in it. It's just a matter of the dilution rate, the rate that it's diluted down to it. It's a chemical. Everything's a chemical. You know, that's the thing. So am I, you know, if they say, is it got chemical? I will say, yes, it does have a chemical if they flat out ask me. But I will not, I don't want my guys to say it. I don't want my, you know, it's a soap. What's a soap? It's something that cleans. When I take a bar of soap and clean myself, does it have chemicals? Absolutely it does. It has all kind of chemicals in it. That's how they make it to clean your, those chemicals have things that make it come clean. So, with that being said, I'm going to give you kind of what we use for that. So, what we have, what we use in our detergents is we use sodium hypochlorite, which is either you can buy it as 10% or 12%. We actually get 12%. It's from a pool distributor. It's what they put in pools, and it actually comes out of Dayton, Ohio, which is about an hour north of here, where we are in Cincinnati. And it comes in off of a truck, and they pump it into the big tanks over here. I've kind of did a video about our storage, but they pump it straight in there. What we do is we batch it here into this one tank here so that our guys can pump it from here straight into the truck so we know what's going out. So what is going out is we use 12% sodium hypochlorite. It's also called, it can be called all kinds of things. It's called chlorine. It can be called bleach. It can be called, it's got all kinds of names. You know, bleach is actually AKA basically, as known as bleach. It's not bleach, it's 12% sodium hypochlorite. So what does that mean? It means it has 88% water and 12% sodium hypochlorite. If you put sodium hypochlorite outside on a pan, it's going to turn to salt. And that is what kills plants, is the salt and the sodium hypochlorite. So we use 12%, cut it down. So we cut it down to 50%. We put 50% sodium hypochlorite and 50% water. So that gives us our 6% was what actually goes onto the roof. Now, we also use some stuff that is called snotmade. And I'll get the bucket here so we can see what it is. And it's snotmade. It's from Russ Johnson down at Southside Equipment. And it kind of gives it a nice lemon smell. And it also is a surfactant. And what the surfactant does is it actually helps keep the soap on the roof so that we don't have a bunch of runoff. So all that soap's not coming down, so not all the sodium hypochlorite is not all coming down in the gutters and going down in the gutters. And that's not what we want. We want to keep all it up on the roof. So that way we have very minimal runoff. And the runoff we do get, we want to have a guy on the ground watering everything so that way dilution is the solution. So if we dilute that water or that higher concentration down to nothing, it won't kill nothing. It won't destroy plants. It won't destroy grass. It won't destroy flowers. It won't destroy nothing. But we have to dilute it down and keep it diluted. Otherwise, it may cause some plant life issues and stuff like that. So that is why we want a water gun. But so, and the way we use that is you can either use a half an ounce or up to an ounce per gallon of mix. So if we have a gallon of mix of that is 50% water, 50% sodium hypochlorite, we're going to put an ounce in that for 1 gallon. So in our big ones, we put a lot of ounces in it because we have a lot of mixture there. So I hope that hasn't confused you too much, and I hope that does clarify what we use to clean roofs. You know, is there other methods out there to clean roofs? Yep. Do they work? That's kind of iffy. Actually, ARMA is the roofing, the Association for Roofing Materials and stuff, and they actually recommend using the sodium hypochlorite and that mixture. So I hope that helps you out. If you would like to learn more stuff about how to set up a roof pump and all that kind of stuff, please check out my video here. It actually goes in detail of what's all you need for a roof setup. And if you would like to learn about Christmas lights, something for the wintertime, please check out there. And honestly, if you do have a question, please ask. I will get to it, and I will get back with you. I hope you have a great day, and hope you have can grow your business to amazing results, more than what you thought of. Thank you, and have a great day.